Hi there. Today I'm gonna talk about the difference between Portafilter with bottom and without bottom. Definitely you can see their differences at a glance quite physically. And you might hear from someone saying the bottomless one, it's better to make specific grammar. But every time my question was, is it true? And also, is it really worth buying? This is the standpoint that I decided to make this video to share. So, I'm gonna make 2 shots by Dr. Pavoni with same beans and with same grinder. Oh, by the way, this is a grinder I've been using recently. Working pretty well and quite good looking. Then, anyhow, the only difference should be, like I said, with bottom and without bottom. So we can see how it works. Okay, now Dr. Pavoni is ready. So I'm gonna make 2 shots. The first one is with bottom. Then second one is bottomless. Finally, how do you feel about it? In fact, I found the bottomless one would work better than this one. But, of course, it's totally up to you which to use. So I just hope this video would work for you in a certain way. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.